I brought my own little blicky with a switchy in here, and let's just say I had a great time in there.
Good, man. That's what matters.
You want to take a look at my my Blipland blicky with a switchy on it?
I can't right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to look at it? Sure. So I got a custom switch on it. Just put it on before you look at it. You are blessed to see a Blipland blicky like this with a switchy. So we got the custom switch right here. Put it to fully auto with the ease of a second. And let's say things can get damaged with this bad boy.
Right on.
Oh no, you said that you couldn't look at it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you see, that's the Blipland blicky with a switchy.